so jelly. It looks like mucus, loose mucus. Hey y'all, it's me, Prettywitty 77, and if you are a witty, then welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, what's up? Today I'm going to be trying out something that I've never tried out before. I haven't really been experimenting with too many eating products, but they have a natural curling jelly. It's from the coconut and Shea line, and on the packaging it says curl definition. Let me tell y'all a little background story about how I even came to purchase this product. I am a creep. Well, not like that, but when I'm product shopping and someone is on the hair aisle, I tend to watch them because I just like to know what people are putting in their hair. So this girl, I was already looking at products, and this girl came over and she kind of like made a beeline for this product. She didn't even kind of like browse around to see what to try. It was obvious that this was her product. So I'm like, am I missing out? Like, what does she know that I don't know? Is this like a dupe for something? So I went ahead and purchased it because that's just how I am. But I checked out the consistency, and it slick reminds me of Camille Rose Curl Maker and Uncle Funky's daughter Curly Magic. It's just a little bit loose, but it definitely has that texture. So today we are going to find out if this is really a dupe for the Curl Maker or Curly Magic, because I'm trying to see some. So you already know how I get down. I already applied my leave-in in the shower, well, before I stepped out of the shower. And the leave-in that I have chosen to use is the Shea Moisture Strength and Restore leave-in. Did I say Jamaican black castor oil? Yeah, that one. So I didn't know. I was like, okay, I don't know if this stuff is very moisturizing. Should I choose something heavy? Should I choose a light leave-in? I just went for something. This leave-in is moisturizing in my eyes. I have ones that are heavier, but I didn't really like how the consistency was when I kind of did my flake test. So yeah, that's kind of why I chose this one. So I just wet my hair one good time because I just like my hair to be really wet when I apply product. And we're gonna go in for the slime. It's like a loose curl maker, just a tad bit loose. Oh my gosh. Yep, it kind of feels like it going on too. A little bit lighter, but I definitely see some poppage. What y'all think? Okay, I'm like, I don't know. Is it the water that's okay? I don't know. So y'all, it really does kind of remind me of Curl Maker, how it's like slimy in my hands, but when you put it on your hair, it kind of does something different. Let me go ahead and get my shingle on though. To be honest, I feel like this is a lot lighter than Curl Maker, but I do see how it will put me in the mind of it. The frizz is taking over, and this is a 8 ounce, and the way they have this packaged, I don't know if I'm wilding out and using too much and might not have enough to finish the rest of my head, sis. I don't know. So I didn't put water on this next section, but I am gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more leave-in just to make sure that it has enough moisture before I put the jelly on my hair. Whew, girl, it's so jelly. It looks like mucus, loose mucus. Let's see. This stuff is dripping all over the place. Oh, Eden, we gotta get a jar next time, sis. We gotta get a jar. My opinion is shifting on this product really fast. It's a little bit too loose for me. But let me not put my foot in my mouth because I may just may end up liking the results, but what I can tell you I don't like is doing it every time I'm on product. Look at it. All on my arm. That's how loose this is. It's really like a loose, snotty mucus. Those words sound so gross. This is what it looks like. I feel really weird and I kind of lost faith. It does remind me of curl makeup a little bit. I can tell it's going to be really big though, because it's no death grip on this gel. This jelly is extremely loose, almost watery. Almost make me want to check the expiration date on this product, because like, sis, what's really going on? But you know, I got you on when this dries, whenever it dries. So this is where I am right now. And I think it's pretty safe to say that this is not a dupe. It really fooled me in texture. I'm surprised that something with such a loose texture would make my hair this hard. Let's get on the shape. I feel like this is like a 90s do, with like the hoop here, and then it's kind of shaped like it literally went out. It looks really weird. Every time I try to even touch my hair, just doing this, it's like wintertime in Chicago, wintertime in New York, wintertime in Antarctica, wintertime in Iceland, Greenland. Which one of those? I know they're opposites, right? It might be Greenland. That's really cold. But anyways, y'all get the point. I really wanted to get on camera and show you guys my results before I try to make it better. But right now, my hair feels really dry, and I don't like it. I just have to check out the ingredients, because when stuff like this happens to me, I'm like, yo, what's good? What went wrong? First ingredient is water. Second ingredient is a hydrolyzed cornstarch, and then there's glycerin, and then there's some kind of dihydroxanacon gum. Then there's coconut oil. Then there's hydrolyzed quinoa. And then they try to throw. What happened? I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to try to make it better. I can't even do a half up, half down, because the back has no definition at all. I'm not sure that that's going to be a goal, but I'm definitely going to have to refresh this and just turn this around. Like, I wish y'all could see the snow. Anyways, give me some time. So this is where I currently am. I tried to kind of like bring this wash and go back to life with a concoction of different products. Hopefully it turns out okay. It's still a little damp, so hopefully it dries okay. Let's just start by saying that this was a huge fail for me. I know a lot of people say you never have a bad hairstyle, like everything always turns out so great. I don't think this was great, but what I guess you guys see is when I try my best to like flip it and make lemonade out of the lemons that I have. Do I regret using this product? Yeah. I kind of want to have a conversation with Shawty at the store, like, sis, like, what are you doing with this? How does it make your hair feel? I just want to have a conversation with her. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, leave your thoughts down below. Thanks for watching. See you later. Peace. That was 2 pieces.